Good morning, everybody. Welcome to English class. Today we will continue the same lesson, same chapter, linkers. Okay, so this is the second part. So in the previous class we have already completed that linkers are basically classified into two broad categories, that are first one coordinating linker and next one will be subordinating linker. Now what are the coordinating linker? That is the linkers that join two or more main clauses or principal clauses. Okay, that linkers are called coordinating linker. And subordinating linker means, this is the topic for today. Subordinating linker means that join at least one main clause with one or more subordinate clauses. Okay, so here we are moving towards the type of subordinating linkers. There are many more. So with example today we will discuss. Okay, so I hope it will not be so much confusing. Okay, so first one, subordinate linker, it will go for time. Subordinate linker of time, subordinate linker of place, subordinate linkers of cause and reason, then comparison, purpose, then linkers of result, linkers of condition, linkers of manners, and linkers of concession. So one by one with example we will go for. So first one, time. Time, here linkers will be before, till, since, after, when, as, many more. So we are picking up one example, just like the rain was over. First example we are taking. Suppose the rain was over, and next here the sun shone brightly. The sun shone brightly. Now here you will get the answer. Now from that linker you can get some of the things. What will be the answer? Just think. Here you should use one linker from that here, because that all these linker they are showing time. Now we can join these two sentences, these two clauses using one linker. What are they? Just a minute. What are they? So here the appropriate answer will be the sun shone brightly after the rain was over. After the rain was over. So that will be the perfect answer. The sun shone brightly after the rain was over. So now here you can see the rain was over, and this one, the sun shone brightly, actually it is the main clause. And subordinate clause, the rain was over, it is a subordinate clause or dependent clause. As I told earlier, the subordinate linker means one subordinate clause must be there. So here after, this will be the subordinate linker. Okay, did you understand? Now next one we are moving towards place. Okay, now linkers of place where or wherever. Suppose example we are taking, we are moving. Now we know the place we will move for exhibition. Now here you will get, we know the place we will move for exhibition. Now any other linker you may choose here for where, because it indicates a place. So we know the place where we will move for exhibition. So here we will be small letter. So now first here you can see we know the place, it is MC, that means main clause. Now we will move for exhibition, it is subordinate clause, and the linker is here where, what, that is the linkers of place. Understood? Now we are moving to the next example, cause or reason. Okay, cause or reason, just as the example we are taking, the teacher was not in the staff room. Here we are writing, the teacher was not in the teacher was not in the staff room. I came back. Okay, I came back. Now think on this matter. Two sentences, two clauses I have given. Join these two clauses using reason or cause. Just think about it. Which linker you may use here for joining these two sentences. Okay? Have you thought? Yes, we have got the answer. That I came back because the teacher was not in the staff room. So in that way you may join. Here because that shows what you know. That is the reason. What is the reason? That I came back. Because what? Because the teacher was not in the staff room. So that is, the teacher was not in the staff room. That is subordinate clause. And main clause will be here. So mind it, here you may face some of the confusion. Sir, what will be the subordinate clause? Mind it, with whom that linker will be added, that will be the subordinate clause. Just like here, where we will move for exhibition. So it is where the linker is attached with that part. So that is subordinate clause. Because that linker is attached with that part. So here it is subordinate clause. So the subordinate clause means it is dependent clause. It is fully dependent over the previous part. What? The main clause. So it is reason, time of reason. Next one, comparison. Next one, comparison. We are picking up some of the examples like Rajat is quick in solving maths. Rajat is quick in solving maths. And next example will be Tarun is quicker. Suppose math question, okay. And next clause, Tarun is quicker. Now here Rajat is quick in solving math questions. Tarun is quicker. Join these two sentences or clauses using comparison. Now which will be proper? You can understand. So we can use that. What will be the answer? Tarun is quicker than Rajat. Okay. Now is quick you will not write in solving math questions. So Tarun is quicker than. So then will be the linker of comparison and followed by subordinate clause. Rajat is in solving math questions. Okay. Another way you may write down also. But using whereas. Suppose whereas Rajat is quick in solving math questions, comma Tarun is quicker. Okay, in that way we may write down. So that is here, you know, that is SC means subordinate clause. The previous one will be main clause. Now suppose if we go for the another answer, whereas Rajat is quick in solving math questions, comma Tarun is quicker. You know, there also, you know, whereas is attached with Rajat. Here that will be on that answer. That will be the subordinate clause. Okay. Now we are moving to the next. That is purpose. So that. Okay. We are picking up some of the example. Manan will visit their house. Suppose Manan will visit their house. That is one example. Next example, he wants to discuss his problem with them. He wants to discuss his problem with them. Now just think on this matter. These two type of sentences or clauses you should join using that one, that or so that. What will be the answer? Very simple. Manan will visit their house so that here it will be small letter, so that he wants to discuss his problem. So Manan will visit their house, it will be main clause. Now so that will be linker. He wants to discuss his problem with them, that will be the subordinate clause or dependent clause. So that followed by subordinate clause. Okay. Next one we are moving. Here you can see so that there is no other gap. Now, so that, so dot 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 that will show the result. Now, what type of example we will get? Suppose we are getting he is so weak. Next example, he cannot walk. Now, join these two sentences or clauses using that ones, that or so that. What will be the answer? Just think about it. Here, so and that, dot 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 means, in between there must have some of the words. Okay, so that will not be a combined word. So dot dot dot, that means there in that portion must have some of the words. So answer will be he is, suppose here it is a little bit changes should be there. Okay, so he is so weak that he cannot walk. Now here you can see, so dot 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 that is a linker. So he is so weak that he cannot walk. Here, so that is a linker of result, and the rest of the part, he cannot walk, it is subordinate clause, and he is so weak, it is main clause. I hope you understood well now. Now next, here we are moving to the next, that is what? Condition. Linkers of condition. Example you are taking, suppose you will get a trophy. You will get a trophy. Next one, you win. Now two examples, two clauses I have given. Please join these two sentences using condition, if or unless. Now what will be the appropriate answer? Think on it. Think on it. Your answer will be, you will get a trophy if you win. If you win. So you will get a trophy if you win. That is the condition. If shows the condition. So it will be subordinate clause, it will be the main clause. Okay? Next one we are moving, manners. He behaves casually he hasn't done anything. Now join these two sentences using manner, as or as if. Very simple. Just think on it. But for that, you should know all these type of linker with their examples. Then only you can think only. So he behaves casually, he hasn't done anything. Very easy. He behaves casually as if he hasn't done anything. As if he hasn't done anything. So he behaves casually, he hasn't done anything. He behaves casually as if he hasn't done anything. So as if will be the linker followed by subordinate clause, that is the main clause. Now next one, concession. Okay, concession, the last one we are moving. Last example, just a minute. Last example. Now example I am taking, it is you to give the answer. First one, he did not fare well in the examination. He did not fare well in the examination. And next example, next clause will be he was given the job. Next example, he was given the job. Now join these two sentences or clauses using the linkers of concession. Although or even if. Think on this. What will the answer? Answer will be although he did not fare well in the examination, whenever the linker will be joined the first part of the sentence, then please try to put on one comma after that clause. Now, although he did not fare well in the examination, comma, he was given the job. Yeah, he followed by he was given the job. So here although it is connected, this clause is connected with although, so that's why it is subordinate clause. Mind it, all the time subordinate linker will be joined with a clause. So in which clause it will be joined, that will be the subordinate clause, and the rest of the clause will be main clause. So it will be the main clause. He was given the job, or you may write down he was given the job. He was given the job, although he did not fare well in the examination. So rest part you may add here also although. After job you may add he was given the job although he did not fare well in the examination. Then rest part will be subordinate clause and the previous part will be main clause. Okay. So this is all about these subordinate clauses. Subordinate linkers. And I hope this time about the linker there mustn't have any kind of confusion. Okay. That is all about. Thank you. Have a good day.